Hi, I'm Hannah. This video is made for educators to guide your learners through a fun experience of building a wind-up vehicle. They will design, test, rebuild, and race a unique vehicle using a wind-up mechanism. We'll explore what makes it go and how small design changes can make a big difference. Let's start by looking at our materials. For this spark, you will need a spark guide, foam sheet A, which has this important shape, foam sheet B, straws, a wind-up mechanism, and not included but highly recommended to have, scissors. Before we jump into building, let's take a closer look at our foam parts. Go ahead and pop all the pieces out of their parent sheets. We won't be needing this part. Let's name some parts. These oval-shaped parts are your collars. The small circles that come out of the two large circles are called stoppers. On the bottom are wedges. And of course, these are your wheels. This piece right here is very important. It's the motor holder, and we'll need it for the very first step. Start by taking this rectangle piece out. We won't need it. Now gently stretch the foam to insert the wind-up or motor into its place. This is how you want to orient it for this basic build. Next up, axles. This is where our straws come in. Grab 2 straws, that's all you'll need for now. Hold the straws at the base and firmly push them onto the wind-up. Before moving on, test the motor by winding it up. Note the direction the axles turn. That's the direction your wheels will spin. Time to attach some wheels. You have 3 pairs of different sized wheels to choose from. You can choose any you'd like, but to start, we'll be using the medium-sized wheels. Hold the straw at its base again and gently press and slide a wheel onto it. The closer the wheel is to the motor, the more stable the axles will become. Adjust it to your liking and snip off the rest with scissors. Keep the extra straw pieces. For this next step, grab 2 collars, a wedge, and a straw. Slide one of the collars onto the wedge in front of the motor. Insert a straw between the pinchers. Then slide the collar up to lock the straw in place. We can use a similar technique on the other wedge. Straw goes in first, and then the collar to secure it. Awesome! We've got the trickiest bit out of the way, and now let's test if it'll roll. Time for the second axle. Use one of the straw pieces you cut earlier and insert it into the wedge hole. You'll also need 2 stoppers and 2 small wheels. Start with sliding the stoppers onto opposite ends of our second axle. Push them together just enough to hold the straw, but leave room for it to spin. Lastly, attach some wheels and that's it. You have successfully built a basic wind-up vehicle. Let's take it out for a test drive. Rolls just fine, but how exactly does it work? It's all thanks to that wind-up mechanism. When you wind it up, the spring inside tightens. And when you let go, the stored energy is released, causing it to rotate in an opposite direction. Pretty cool, right? When you wind the motor, listen for the clicks. But wait, what if yours doesn't work? Let's troubleshoot. Are your collars rubbing on the ground? That could slow things down. Try adjusting the straw so it sits better in the wedges. If you're still stuck, your axles might be too long, so trim them down for better stability. What if you want to roll it the other way? All you have to do is flip the motor around. Try it out. Here comes the most fun part. It's time to make your vehicle unique. And utilize the foam parts, straws, and scissors however you'd like. Encourage your learners to deconstruct the basic build and invent something totally new by brainstorming other ways they can make it look and act. Remind them that it's totally okay to try something that doesn't work. That's how you learn and come up with cool new ideas. What else can you try? Here's some challenges that might spark your creativity and give you some ideas. What's the smallest you can make it? Can it have just one axle? Can you build a convertible racer that can roll in different ways? Congratulations on building and playing with your wind-up vehicle! Each Spark is individually packed so that learners can keep what they make and take it home with them. We believe that owning of what they make helps learners engage and take greater risks and allows playful learning to continue anywhere. Thank you for watching. Bye!